beauties, so I'm going to show you guys how to achieve an effortless piro curls using this hair from Peerless Hair. And this is one of the easiest ways to get a long-lasting curls. Like when I curl my hair with this technique, it lasts as long as 5 to 8 weeks without any retouch. So let's go ahead and get started. And like I said, this hair is from Peerless Hair Company, and I have on 4 bundles of their Peruvian loose wave in 26 inches and a 20-inch frontal, which of course was made into a wig by me. And I already bleached the knot, plugged the hairline, and now I will install it onto my head. And this wasn't the initial pattern of the hair. It came in with some curls, but after I made the wig, washed it and all, I decided to straighten it since the initial curls were loose. Alright, so to keep the hair in place without sliding everywhere, I will lock it down with got2b glued gel. I like to use the gel depending on how tight I want the hold. If I want it to last for a few weeks, I will add layers, but for this, I really don't want to have the wig on my head for long, so I will apply just a little bit. Since the hair is going to go through heat, I'll apply some heat protectant spray before going ahead to curl. This is the wand we're going to be using today, and I've had this for over 5 years and it's so precious to me, you guys. It gets the job done so well and comes with detachable heads, which makes it easy to switch. I will use the smallest barrel for today's tutorial, and your barrel size depends on how tight or pronounced you want your curls to appear. I normally go for a loose curl, but today I want a very obvious curl.
Can't taste me, bad man. Me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama.
I don't know what it is with me and pronouncing curls, you guys. Like, I always tongue twist whenever I'm pronouncing curls. And once I plug the wand, I will start taking the hair in small parts. Also, the bigger the hair you take to curl, the less pronounced the curls will appear. So be aware of that. And the simple technique I was talking about is I like to twist the hair like 4 locks before coiling. I find that doing it this way makes the curls last much longer. I mean, my curls last for over a month, to be honest. If you don't want to keep on coiling your hair, this will be appropriate for you. Also, as you all can see, when rolling the hair around the wand, I love to separate it. That is, I don't like having them on top of each other. Separating them gives you the most gorgeous curls.
Say things them are moving right, and a bad man they feel alright.
I'll continue doing the same thing over and over till we are all done. Also, I like to coil away from my face, and when I'm coiling my left side, I love to hold the wand on my right hand, and when I start with the right side, I move my wand to the left hand. I find that switching it this way gives me the same result and the hair goes in the same direction. I used to make these mistakes when I do, once I'm done, the hair on the left side will be in a direction while the one on the right will be in another direction, and it doesn't look cute at all. So doing it this way is just the best.
Fire can cool me up blazing. Me I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I know say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn. Me all of them hear what I done. Tell them okay what I done, me a done. Tell them let them hear what I want. Tell them me all let them hear what I want. Say they can don't try run me down. Bad man, me I never talk on me on. Say them a fear try put me down.
The same technique applies to the front. Just continue doing the same thing until we're all done. And I know sometimes when I do curl my hair, I always love to kind of flap the front, but with this one, since it's all curls, I'm just gonna continue with the same technique all over the hair.
Bad man they talk me I tear them. So things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright.
When you're all done, it's gonna give you this kind of curls, like kind of four locks. But don't worry, we're still gonna go ahead and separate it once we are all done.
And a bad man, they feel alright. Let go.
All right, finally. So here we have it, you guys. Very nice lock curls. But the next thing I'll go ahead and do will be to start separating the curls. This also allows the hair to get a lot of volume. When I'm separating the curls, I love to go very easy because I don't like my curls looking frizzy.
Me, I be the one that bless me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Them bagger come can't taste me. Bad man, me I no say me a better than them. Them a call me yard, me a better than all. Bad man, me I never back down, stop. Them a mama got me a damn.
You guys won't even believe how much practice I'm doing here with hubby. I keep asking him to pronounce curls for me and he pronounces it, and then I still pronounce my own. This accent is not even, it's not funny at all. But you guys, you can open each strand of the curls up to 2 to 4 times depending on how you want your curls to appear. Notice I left the hair part alone. I didn't curl up to the side because I don't like my hair parts too coily.
Coming on me yard, me not fear them. Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright.
Oh my gosh, I can't get over how gorgeous this hair looks, you guys. It's so cute. And I'll go on and spray some argan oil on the hair, and I think that is simply it. I'm totally in love and obsessed with this hair from Peerless Virgin Hair Company, and I will leave all their info in my description box, so please do try and check that out. And also don't forget to like this video if you did enjoy, subscribe and share, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye.
Bad man they talk, me not hear them. Bad man they talk, me I tear them. Certain things them are moving right. And a bad man they feel alright. Certain things them are